Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you why is PayPal not letting you transfer money to your bank account. So if you're facing this issue, then this video will definitely help you. So what you have to do, you have to just open your PayPal account. You can just do it over your mobile phone as well as on your laptop or PC, right? So there are several reasons why PayPal is not letting to transfer money to your bank account. The first thing, that PayPal may hold your money, right? So whenever PayPal hold your money, it's always show here that money is on hold, because they hold your money because they don't have the complete documentations of your account. So it means that they have not completely verified your PayPal account, right? The second thing is that of course there is some kind of documentation which you didn't provided, or it is not verified till now. That's why they are not letting to transfer to your money to your bank account. The third reason, which is very common one, I will show you. Just go to pay and get paid, banks and cards here, and here you will see that basically to transfer money to your bank account, you should link your bank account to PayPal. As you can see here, I have linked my two of my bank accounts. So you also need to link your bank account, and to, you know, you have to make one of the account by default to receive the money. So here just click on link a bank account, and here you have to give the information, the bank name and location, everything, so that you can link your bank account. And once it link, PayPal will verify by transferring around $1 or 1 cent, so that to verify that whether it's your bank account or not. And after verification, it will directly send money to your bank account. The third thing is, which is also very common, that you didn't set your account to transfer your money automatic to your bank account. So the basic is, PayPal send you money and it's take around 3 to 4 days to hit in your bank account. But if you didn't set automated, bank transfer, then PayPal will not send your money to your bank account. So you need to, manually transfer it by yourself by just clicking on transfer money, if you have didn't set it automated. So you have to set it. It's a very easy thing to do. So I hope you found this video very useful. This could be some of the reasons, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.